G'day, welcome to another episode of Let's Have a Smoke and Think About It. Today I've got two announcements. One, I'm going to have to change the name of the channel because I'm going to give up smoking. So I need your help in the comments, guys and girls. What do you think a good name for this channel would be? I don't know, I've been trying to work it out but can't think of it myself. And number two, I've been saying for weeks that all I want is, or one of the things I want is a pressure washer. So my wife, being the lovely woman she is, hang on a sec, found me one. It's brand new, never been opened, so we're going to go through and open it. And then we're going to test it out. So without further ado, let's open it. Okay, so here we go. First time I've opened this box. I don't know anything about this. The wife just came up to me while I was making lunch a little while ago and said, "Oh, I bought you something." Then I got a message from Super Cheap Auto saying it's ready to pick up, so we went down and picked it up. It's instruction manual. Uh-oh, put it together. Some assembly required. Lots of assembly required. Huh? Learn to speak, dingbat. Handle. Maybe I should have brought a screwdriver up. Okay. Box is empty. And no, I wasn't holding that by the cord, I had hold of the plastic. Move the beer bottle out of the way. From what I read on the box, it has a self-priming option, function I should say, so you can run it out of a bucket or the river if you've got, because my dad is grey nomad and has decided to live in a caravan. Actually, before I put that together, let's have a squeeze it here. I've got 4 screws and no screwdriver. Alright, okay, we can work with that. Let's have a squeeze at the instructions and tell us which way to do it first. I've got a spring on the back there. Not quite sure what that spring's for. It's a little pokey springy thingy. It says lots of words. Oh, I reckon you put the handle on first by that. Assembly, mounting the wheels, mounting the handle, high pressure hose, water supply, and operating instructions. And see, that's already got the handle on it, isn't it? It's a spray gun holder. No. Oh no. Let's work this out together, ready? Don't throw that bag out, it's got the screws in it. Let's put the handle on. That's a cute little unit. It really is. That would go on the back there with the screws, but I haven't got the screws with, well, the screws are here, but I haven't got a screwdriver. See it there. And let's say that goes on that side, and that one will go that side for the cord. high pressure gun to sit in. Obviously nails it to the ground. Now unconcussed. I think I'll have to go that way. That part's nice and easy. Lock and unlock, cool. High pressure hose. There's a connection on the front for the hose, for the high pressure hose. That just screws in. Normally I would have had a screwdriver right here, but I took it inside, I think. That's cool. It looks like it's a quick connect for that end. That's awesome. Now we're going to besides the wheels. Which don't have a screw in them. Where did the other two screws go? Two in the handle. That's why you read the assembly instructions. Oh, in the back. Let's get the gun out of here. By the way, this is not sponsored by Super Cheap Auto. It's just my wife is sick of me complaining that I didn't have a high pressure washer. There you go, wheels are on. And I'm just going to shoot inside and grab that screwdriver. I came back and got my screwdriver. Now there's two different size screws. Let's just take them out of my hand. They're obviously different sizes. But that one's that way, that size, and this is the obvious difference. So, just going by the screw holes. Which you shouldn't always do. The handles take the big screws. The top handle takes the big screws. And the bottom one takes the other screws. Now they're tapered, pointing up towards each other. So they only go one way. Oh, okay. Now I understand what this is for. So when you only need a smaller portion of the handle. Now this sort of stuff I would normally use my cordless for, but that's packed away in the shed at the moment. Only because it's quicker. That's the only reason I would normally use my cordless for it. But this is pretty quick anyway. You don't want to reach down too tight on them. This part is for them, just in case you only need the gun. Which doesn't quite fit in the holder. Oh well. without further, now let's go and test it out. So you remember this beast? And how when I was, sorry, I'm moving around on a shaky stand. How I said I needed a pressure washer to clean the engine. Well, now I got one. I'm sorry if it flares out and goes really bright, but as I keep telling you, I'm only really using my phone. That's a fan. That's actually quite good. My hose is leaking. So it's got multiple steps, not steps, but it just slides around. So you can go from a nice light spray down to a very fine high pressure. I'm really happy at that. Let's just have a look at it. Back you guys up a bit. I run around the car with the pressure washer. And it's just water going through at the moment, so as you can see, it washes dirt off nicely, but it doesn't have the capacity for soap bubbles, which is fine because I can do that part by hand and then squirt it down again. Now that I was just drawing the pressure out of the system. Oops, got my plug wet. About the only thing I can see that lets it down is just a short output hose. Right, that's it. Goes from the ground around, it's got 3 meters I think. Not quite 3 meters, but what do you want for a cheap, for a small pressure washer? So there we have it, my super cheap auto high pressure washer. It's what was it, 1450 psi. Reading it off the box. I don't know if you can see that, but never mind. 1450 psi from Super Cheap Auto. My wife was lovely enough to go online and buy that for me, and I got a message saying come and pick it up, so we did. I found out what that little spring thing is for, and that's for cleaning the jets when they get a bit dirty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and revelation of the fact I'm going to quit smoking, and so I need to change the name on the channel. I'll get there. So please like the video for me, and give us a shout out or a comment. Send us an email if you can work out how to put it up there, or if you can just copy and paste it. I don't really mind. Give us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you soon in the future. See ya.